Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm frying plantain today. A plantain is when you cut the plantain in little pieces, and what you're supposed to do, you let it fry till it's golden like this. And I'm gonna fry plantain and eggs. So what is this egg? This is eggs already. Already put like 5 eggs and beat the egg and put a little bit of seasoning on it and put the corned beef, and you're gonna beat those together. Okay. So now the plantain is ready. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the plantain out of the oil because you don't want your plantain to burn, okay? So this is the plantain. It's nice and golden like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove some oil because this oil is too much. I don't need all this oil. So I'm going to remove a lot of oil from it. This is a nice breakfast for like in the morning. You can make this for your family. Like in the weekends, those are good food, like weekend food, you see? Nice and golden. So this oil, I'm gonna reduce the oil because this is too much. Okay, so you see I already beat the eggs and the corned beef, so you need to make sure you beat them together very well, just like this, okay? And I'll reduce the oil. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some in the oil like this. You're frying it. You're gonna fry it to the other side is golden, and you're gonna turn it to the other side. Everybody know how to fry egg. You're gonna fry your eggs like the way you want it. It's not just by force like the way I'm frying my eggs. You need to fry yours like that. Not really, but you can just do the recipe and fry the eggs like the way you want it. You can add your own seasoning, any kind of good seasoning you have home. You can add your own seasoning and fry. Even the plantain, you need to season the plantain. You can add any kind of seasoning you want to add to it. Okay, so this is the plantain and this is the raw egg. This is the one I'm frying, so I'm gonna show you guys later. Okay, I just turned the eggs on the one side, so you're gonna wait again till the other side is ready again. You're gonna turn the other side again. Okay, so what I did, I bring some clean plate, and this is my clean plate, and I put some white napkin on it. The reason why I'm doing this, like you know, like if the egg got any excess on grease oil on it, so you put this on it, it will help you remove all the oil on it. Okay, so that's the only reason why I'm doing this. It's time to remove the egg now and put in that clean. This is the clean plate. Oh Lord, I'm making a mess. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna fry the rest of it. Okay, so this is the final product. So this is the eggs. The eggs is cooked already, and this is the plantain. So you can eat them together. You can put in the bread, you make a sandwich out of it, or you can eat it just like that. Okay, thank you for watching our cuisine once again, and love you guys so much. Please subscribe, and please share. The more share y'all do, the more subscribe I'm gonna have. So please support your sister and please share my video and like it and subscribe. Please share, please. Love you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching our cuisine once again. Love you guys.